I want to ask President Muhammad Buhari and all the Nigerian politicians. This lady who won this composition, who cook 4 days or 90 hours, she won, and you people celebrated her, congratulated her. All of you, both Tinubu, Buhari, and all the Nigerian politicians, 99 Nigerian politicians posted this lady on their Twitter, on their Facebook, Instagram, everywhere, so that the world will see that one lady in Nigeria have won this composition. It's very good. But I want to ask Nigerian politicians, both President Muhammad Buhari, this mass burial what they do in Kaduna recently, how many of you posted this mass burial in your Twitter? How many of you have posted it on your Facebook? How many of you have posted it on WhatsApp? Nobody. In Easter, the slaughter where they slaughter in Benue State, how many of Nigerian politicians posted it on their Twitter or posted it on their Facebook, on their Instagram? The other last month in Borno State, they slaughter people there in Borno State. How many of Nigerian politicians posted it on their Twitter, on their Facebook, on their WhatsApp? We are living in a wicked country. May God deliver us and bad leaders in this country. And you know, say Nigerians, we Nigerians will get problem in this country. It is a shame that you that are a Christian, since they have been slaughtering your fellow Christians in Nigeria, every year, thousands of Christians have been slaughtered in this country in Nigeria. Since then, you have never posted any of them on their status, on their Facebook, on their Twitter. They are doing mass burial of Christians in Nigeria, slaughtered by Boko Haram and Fulani in Nigeria. You are a Christian in Nigeria. How many times have you posted those people pictures on your WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter? You posted this lady on your... You posted this lady. I'm not against her. You posted her picture on your Facebook, on your Twitter, on your WhatsApp status, so that the world and your friends will see that this lady have won the competition. A congratulations to her, which is good. But you, a Christian, how many times have you posted the picture of your fellow Christians that have been slaughtered in this country? It's a very shameful to you as a Christian. It's a very shame to you as a Christian you are in Nigeria. They have been slaughtering your fellow Christians. You are not doing anything, no prayer, nothing. You just keep quiet. They are slaughtering your fellow Christians in Nigeria. Deliver us and bad leaders in this country. And you know, say Nigerians, we Nigerians will get problem in this country. We get problem in this country, most especially all these Nigerian celebrities. The most important thing you people supposed to be voice out, speak out, telling the world what is happening in this country. And no of you are doing it. No of you are doing it. Just posting naked picture everywhere, one they want. We are living in a wicked generation. And Christians in Nigeria, look at the way they slaughter us in this country. And no of you are even doing anything, even on social media, speaking up on social media, telling the world what is happening in this country. Nobody is doing it. Only what you can tell the world what is happening in your country is that this lady won, he won, she won. That is the only thing that you can tell the world that is happening in your country. That one girl win competition of cooking food. I'm not against the lady, but the way the we Nigeria behave, in fact, I'm not happy for it. Only what you can tell the world what is happening in Nigeria is that this lady won, she won. Big brother Nigeria. That is the only thing that we can be celebrating in this country.